Look at this accessory. This is the access or 6-piece wires for our central control screen. And look at this texture, is very premium. And look at this, is our screen is very customized by our Youducar. This central control screen fits Toyota Highlander 2024 to 2025. It adapts a 12.3-inch display with a resolution 2400 by 896 resolution, powered by an Acro UI app 7870 processor. Is equipped with an 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage for smooth performance and a large storage capacity. How to switch to the UI with 3 interface. Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to drag the card to transit position. Don't press the 3-dot button on the top. And then you can drag it out to change the position freely as you like. How to change the content of the 3 card easily. Tap this icon and you can see a plugin selection here, and then you can see there are so many different kind of functions for you to choose. And tap it and you can change the content directly. And also how to enlarge the card size. Here you can see a button on the left. Long press this button and drag it out, and you can enlarge the card to its original size twice. Now swipe down the screen and you can see here is the draw down menu, and you can adjust the brightness here, and also the value of the central control screen here. And also you can see we prepare a night mode for you. It's very good for your eyes, and the screensaver is here too. Look at this screensaver, it looks very beautiful. How to trim the thing on the original car interface. Long press the menu and you can see here existing for you. Choose one you like and then back. And the interface has trimmed successfully. Let's have a look. How to trim the car model. Long press the car model and then you can see some car model here. Choose one you like and back. How to customize and change the starter bar. Long press any icon on the starter bar and then you can see the plug, and you can tap the apps you want, and the set art is done successfully. Tap the menu and you can see there are so many apps here, and look at the setting here. The first one is the wireless network. Here you can connect the Wi-Fi and then use the internet. GPS info, general, so many functions. Factory, enter with the password 368, and then wire setting, protocol setting, so many functions for you to use. And the display, here you can adjust the backlight brightness adjustment of the day and of the night, and 2 things for you. Look at the sound. Here you can adjust the sound mixing scale here, and also the capture apps. And the storage, here you can see how many free storage you still have, and locations, password, system. Here you can change the language of the system by absent language, font. If you want the French, just find the French and tap one more time the region and test one more time. The language will stream successfully. The capture vehicle setting here, trip, history, base, amplifier, TPMs, setup. Look at the equalizer here. Here is for you to adjust the music sound in your car. The first one is the DTS and the equalizer, standard for you. Sound field setting for you. Surround sound, stereo sound enhancement, reverberation, depth boost, sound filtering. Now let's look at the Bluetooth phone. Here you have the BT front. After you connect, you can see the information here and the call record, phone book, and the voice setting. And now look at the media. Here you can see it's the music player here and the playlist for you. You can choose the song you like and tap this icon into the next song, tap this icon into the private song. You can browse the music and resume the music. Here, this is the radio for you. This is FM and AM2 option for you. And this is the Bluetooth music. After you connect your phone, you can hear the music here. And this is the radio. And you can listen to the radio wherever you like. Look at the video player here. You can watch the video here. The video is very good. And also, tap this icon into the small window mode. Now look at the YouTube. Here you can see so many video here. And also the short video for you is operates smoothly. Now let's look at the Play Store. Here tap the Play Store and you can see so many games for you to download of the app. And here you can see there are so many apps for you to choose to download, use in your central control screen. And you can also here search for the app you need. And here so many different comes on internet app book for you to download to read in the car. Look at the map here. Tap it and you can see here so many different options for you to choose to directions such as a restaurant, and you can see nearby restaurant suggestion for you, and you can also search for the destination you want to go here. Now look at the card name. After connect your phone, you can see so many apps in your phone here. And look at the phone. And also the music, map, and the message, and the setting. Here you can change the wallpaper into the color you like. And then also you can see here, you can go into the next song or the private song and look at the map. Here you can search for the destination you want to go.